Julia Richardson from Lexus of Royal Oak, and today we are joined by Lexi and Stuart to welcome a very special guest, Miss Carolina Serrano from the Calgary Humane Society.
Hi Julia, Lexi, Stuart. I'm so excited to be here and get an opportunity to chat with you about Calgary Humane Society and some of the work that we do in the community.
Well, welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. We're very pleased to have you here. We're big fans of the work that you do, as we are a dog-friendly store. Can you share a little bit about how you support the animals in need?
I would say on an average year, we see some 4,500 animals come through our doors. And as you might know, we are more than a shelter, so they come from all kinds of backgrounds. Some of them are owner surrenders. We also reunite some families through lost and found services. We also offer emergency boarding services, so pet safekeeping. And every single animal that comes through our door, no matter their background, we will definitely, make sure that they're well taken care of. We provide medical care to make sure that they're nice and healthy and ready to, carry on.
The adoption and screening process like?
Very much work on a first come, first served basis. So any potential adopters, we are asking at this particular time, just due to COVID, and to make sure we can follow the government regulations, just to book an appointment in advance through our website. Once you're in shelter, then you get matched up with one of our wonderful adoption counselors. Then the potential adopters get a chance to chat with them about their lifestyle, what they're looking for in a companion, and then we make potential suggestions based on that.
Since you have and care for a lot of animals, I'd imagine that there's lots of food that goes towards it. Can you please give us some details about the types of food that you offer for the animals?
The list is just way too long here, but as you might know, we certainly receive more than just dogs and cats in our shelter. So every single species would get a diet that is appropriate to maintain their health and well-being. Younger animals that require some different kind of nutrition to grow and develop.
Where does the majority of the funding for the Calgary Humane Society come from?
All of our funding comes through the generosity of the community. We're very, very lucky to count with the support of animal lovers. And they come through various means. Some of them come through one-time donations. We have very committed monthly donors.
Fundraiser, the comfortable bed that Lexi's laying on right now, it's a Kuma folding portable chair for dogs, and they are for sale at Lexus of Royal Oak for $130 plus GST, and all of the profits are going towards our friends at the Calgary Humane Society. Carolina, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your time today.
Thank you, Julia, and thank you to Lexus of Royal Oak for hosting this wonderful third-party fundraiser for us. We're so excited to work with you.
Our pleasure. Thank you very much. Thank you for Lexi and Stuart and being such good dogs today.